What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a 3D animation from any logo that you can imagine. The first step is very simple. You have to go to Google, search for the logo, PNG, save the logo on your computer, okay? This is just one example using the Samsung logo. Then go to Google and type 3D Logo Lab IO. Go to the site. No needs to sign in, okay? So all we have to do is click right here on Get Started. Now we're gonna review the left sidebar of menus and upload the image. Let me select the image. And then you have the animation. But of course you can customize it. If you review the left sidebar of menus, you can change how large the animation is. For example, just like this. You can change the background color in the case that you wish to a darker or a lighter color, all up to you, okay? In the case that you wish, you can review the right side of your screen. We have the metal style. I love this one, but there is other styles, other colors, and other shapes. I basically love this one right here. I think it's fancy. And in the case that you want, you can apply some animation to the logo in the case that you are a pro user. And after doing all the edits you need, you can, for example, record the screen to save the animation in the case you do not want to go pro, but you can go pro, the price is accessible, and if you want to save, you can go to export, save to Patriot or auto, post or high, and export the image. The image now has been saved to my computer. In this position, I can change for this position or that position, all up to you and to your needs, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!